So the big question is this: how do investors like us who trade options and manage our own money generate income regardless of where the stock market goes, and do it all in a way that lets us make time for the people and things we love, and yet still build wealth and remain profitable? That's the question, and this podcast will give you the answer. I'm your host, Kirk Duplessis, and you're listening to The Daily Call from Option Alpha. Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again from Option Alpha, and welcome back to The Daily Call. Today we're going to answer the question, what is a head fake in stock trading? So I love the idea of understanding some of this terminology and jargon when you hear it talked about, and we use this a lot too. I don't use the word head fake all the time, but we talk about it sometimes when we have very specific setups in stocks, and we might refer to as one thing as a head fake or not. So let me build the context around this because I think it's better to understand it contextually in a scenario. So let's say we have a stock that's trading and it's trading at $100. Quickly, the stock moves up to $105. Now, this is where the fake part of this comes in, because what people might see if the stock makes a huge move in one direction, say from $100 to $105 very quickly, they might think that that is, a big breakout in the stock. And what might happen then shortly after that, where the head fake kind of comes into play or is completed, I guess, is that the stock might completely reverse that $5 up move and might actually move down, say $6 or $7. So the stock starts at 100, a day or two later, it's at 105, and then another day or two later, it's all the way back down at, say, $96, $97. And so what that ends up being, ends up being this head fake, this initial move that really shakes out a lot of people potentially, or, traps a lot of people into a possible move in one direction when it's actually going the other direction. We see this sometimes a lot in short side trading, where if we get into a short squeeze type of situation where a stock is starting to make a big move lower, then it has this massive, rebound or bounce, and everyone thinks that the bottom is in. But in many cases, that might just be a lot of institutions or traders who are covering short positions by buying back the stock. So you get this head fake where the stock looks like it's rebounding and is forming a bottom, but actually people are just continuing to get out of the position and maybe reloading some short interest in the stock, and then it continues its move lower. So as always, we never know where markets are going to go, but it's sometimes interesting to see what happens in these situations, because they do happen often enough that it becomes a real issue where people get a false sense of security that the stock is making a big move in one direction or another. So as always, hopefully you guys enjoy these. If you have any questions, let me know. And until next time, happy trading. Thanks for joining us on The Daily Call. Be sure to subscribe right now for more daily options trading ideas, strategies, and tactics to help you learn how to place smarter, more profitable trades. And if you like what we're doing, don't forget to give us a rating and a review so we can continue to bring you the best daily content possible. We'll see you again tomorrow, right here on The Daily Call from OptionAlpha.com.